Out driving around, checking out the morning after the big rain and the big flood. If you notice over here, this usually never has any water. It's completely full, but it's just a ditch next to the road, no big deal. But these poor animals, poor things really have nowhere. I don't know, these are some sort of I don't know, four-legged creatures, I don't know. Anyways, they have no pasture. It's completely underwater. I mean, that's their pen, you know. They get some goats and stuff in there, completely out of water. So I'm driving on down the road. Driveway's completely flooded. Look at that. Completely flooded. And that's pasture. Poor cop's driveway. Whole front yard. Completely submerged. That's at least 6 inches of water.